Opera naman ako bro. Pero ganun din, para sa akin yung partner sa baby ko.
Thanks baby mo.
Yeah, kasi sila yung inspiration ko talaga at kahit malayo man kami sa isa't isa ngayon, sana wag nila ako iwan sa lapay na.
Okay, that's nice Tom, na finally, hindi mo naman pala siya itinatanggi or hindi ka naman pala nagdi-deny regarding that. So yung lumabas sa social media na parang drawing o sketch mo naman, siya yun.
Yeah.
So pwede ka ba mag-share sa amin ng konti pa? Of course, congratulations Tom, no?
Thank you so much.
Pwede ka ba mag-share sa amin ng konti pa about your baby?
Siguro madamot lang talaga ako kasi ninanamnam ko. I'm really enjoying what I have. But if I can say, I'll just say I'm a happy new dad to a very, very healthy and beautiful baby boy. He's 4 months old today. And,
wow, okay.
Agad na lang po. But he's my constant source of inspiration right now. He makes me so happy. I've never experienced happiness at this level. Akala ko di pala posible. Akala ko na-experience ko na yung kasiyahan dati. But, oh wow.
Wow. He's here ba? Or...
Tsaka ako nasasabihin.
Okay. So, yung name reveal, wala muna? Wala muna. Okay.
Wow,
so, yun. Congratulations, Tom. Ha? Okay.
Thank you for being so honest, no? Actually, pwede ko bang i-booking?
Yeah.
Kasi tinatanong nila ako, June, paano mo na-detalye, paano mo nasulat yung tungkol sa anak ni Tom Rodriguez? Si Tom po mismo ang source ko.
I told Popoy din, I was like, Popoy,
umamin siya sa akin.
My conscience can't handle it else me.
Umamin siya sa akin. Tapos, sabi ko, ano ba to? Ang kwentuhan ba to ng magkaibigan? So, ilagay ko na lang reliable source. Sabi niya, since...
But to be fair, I told you, I said, ask Popoy first.
Sabi niya, sige, since reliable source mo, you can also put may dalawang pimples yung anak ko at saka yung iba lang sa amin ng kulay, yung buhok.
Yeah, and he's got green eyes.
Pero yun nga, no, ako, si Tom Kapuri-Puri, never siyang nag-deny. Sabi mo sa akin, ayaw mong mag-deny kasi ayaw mong dumating yung panahon na mag-google ng anak mo, mababasa niya na i-deny mo siya.
I wouldn't want that for me as well, so I wouldn't want him growing up. Yun din yung madadagdag. I'm very proud, I'm very happy.
At least pag nagkaisip siya, nag-google siya, ang sasabihin niya sa'yo, that at least hindi mo ko iniwan.
Yeah. It's just that I learned now, biggest learnings from the past few years of my life, that you really have to know. I love the work, I'm very thankful for it, and I love the industry. Pero you do need boundaries, so para sa kanya din yun. It's something I want to pass down to him and want to teach him. To have proper boundaries between your real life and your professional life.
And syempre, nakakatuwa din sila Danny, sila engineer. Hindi nila sinabihan yung press na, oh, you cannot ask Tom, di ba? Kaya parang mas maganda, mas bongga magiging publicity ka lalo na huwag mo akong iwan. Thank you, Tom, ha? Thank you for the trust.
Thanks, Sir June. When I had to come back to work here, naiiwan ko yung mag-ina ko. Ang hirap. Doon ko naranasan na parang reverse OFW. Ang hirap pala, kaya hindi ko kaya.
Talaga.
Medyo naranasan ko ano yung nararanasan ng mga OFWs, pero sa kanila, grabe, 20 years. 10 years, sa maiksing panahon, ang hirap pala. And yet, pag sila iniisip mo, ang dami mong kayang gawin. Hindi mo na nararamdaman yung pagod, hindi mo na so parang balance din siya. Pero yun yung pinaka, mahirap.
Masakit talaga sa'yo. Pero yun kasi may babalikan ka. Kesa mas masakit sa dun sa hiwalayan na tingin mo tapos na.
Yeah, but there's always a silver lining and everything happens for a reason. If I never went through what I had, I wouldn't have what I have now. And I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Medyo mabilis, huwag mo masyado na-guess.
Sabi ko, kung hindi ko pinagdaanan ko, hindi ko makakamit kung anong meron ako ngayon. At kung anong meron ako ngayon, never ko ipagpapat.
Of course, natutunan ka rin naman po.
Kaya in hindsight, hindi mo na nararamdaman yung sakit. So, pinagdaanan mo yung aral na lang. Yung naitatanim sa'yo.
I hope you don't mind kung hindi na kayo nag-usap ni Carla para ma-settle ka. Wala na, tapos na. Since tapos na, di ba? Divorce na rin naman na kayo.
Yeah, I processed all of it.
Ayos na yun. And yung sa partner mo ngayon, may plans na ba kayo? Or settled na kayo?
Sa amin na lang muna.
Sa inyo na muna.
Well, I'm very happy, I'm very excited.
Okay, sige. We're happy for you. Thank you. Yes, Rian.
Four months, he's 4 months today. I say, easy ko if I want to keep it to myself or not. Corbin. K-O-R-B-E-N. It's David's covenant with the Lord was his broken soul. So, and he brought it back to parang binuo niya ulit. So, Corbin is an anagram for broken.
Wow. So, okay. I'm not so prepared for this. That's why I don't know what to ask. But, syempre, yung mga unang pumapasok sa isip ko, parang malayo ka. So, kailan ba kayo magkikita ng baby?
Very soon.
Very soon. Anong mga plano mo for your baby?
Just Daddy will do everything he can to make sure that he's well, not just in mind, body, spirit. So hopefully I can be a great example for him. So that's what I strive for. Strive to be a good person. Pag nadapa tayo, keep going back up, dust your knees, try to live a righteous life. But we all make mistakes, but keep moving forward and like sinabi ko kanina sa press conference, no one is exempt from the stains of life. Lahat tayo madadapa. And the best thing we can do to show our loved ones, especially those that we're gonna steward, yung mga next generation natin, is to show them na there's always a way forward, that you can always life goes on.
So how is Corbin inspiring you now? Kasi newfound inspiration ko.
Hindi ko ramdam. I'm so blessed right now, lalo na sa Lilith Matias, na araw-araw yung taping namin kasi the holiday seasons are coming up, so pumupondo. Hindi ko nararamdaman yung pagod. Tinitingnan ko lang, and I know why I do all of this work.
And you look very happy. Since the baby's out of the box, everybody's going to ask, the mommy, who's the mommy?
I want to keep that to myself, pero sabihin ko lang, it's the same partner that I've been with all school time. So the past 2 years, the same person that I've been with is the woman, and we're
Balato na lang yun.
Balato na lang sa akin. We're very, very
I'm very happy. You know, I've said this before, but I'm going to say this in front of the camera. Congratulations every day.
For now, it'll do, but it's never enough. And then, pili pa ako sa mga OFW natin na mga kababayan. I don't know how they do it. I cannot.
Parang reverse, no?
You guys sabi, like, it feels like being in the military, and my whole family's been in the military. My dad, my brothers-in-law have been away. And I told my mom, I was like, I don't want that to be my life. It worked for them. And that was their life, and hats off to them na nagawa nila ito nila. It can't be, hindi ko kaya.
I'm so happy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your career.
It's everything. It's the very reason why I came back.
Paano nabago yung pati yung approach mo
Everything I go through, iniisip ko, how will I want to teach this to him? Paano ko ituturo sa kanya everything na nangyayari sa akin ngayon, parang may filter na lang ganun, Lord. Like, hindi yung okay, how do I get through this? It's now, what can I learn from this to be able to pass it down to him? So even coming back, kasi ang sarap na, parang kontento na ako sa buhay ko dun sa Amerika, and yet I have contracts and obligations that I need to take care of here. So may part sa akin na ayoko nang bumalik sa akin. And yet I would like to show him that I can finish things that I've started and parang set a good example. So that's all I can do for now. So everything I do, it really is with him in mind.
So, Huwag Mo Ko Iwan is your official film movie comeback. How was the experience? Did you miss acting?
That's the part that I missed. Sometimes the other turbulent parts of the industry you don't miss, but it is part of it, and there's part of it to love as well. Pero yung craft talaga nakakamiss, and yet nakakatakot din kasi hindi ko alam kung capable pa ba ako, what I can give. 2 years away from it, na sobrang simpleng buhay lang. Kinabahan ako, natakot ako na I would pray. That's why I was so thankful na ito yung first talaga na lengthy project that I did. Kasi I felt like I was in such good hands, and I knew if I can get through this, anything else that I come across, kung ano mong project yung may latag sa akin, I know that I'll be able to face na wala ng training wheels. Kasi nalampasan ko na sila, Direct Joel, lahat. It was such a, parang amazing obstacle course, parang workshop na rin siya in a way.